I guess I'll see you guys when I arrive Sydney. I'm going to try to get some sleep and not be too excited so I have energy to surprise Jing when I arrive. But wish me luck.
Hello.
I successfully checked in Sydney. I have arrived Jing's apartment and I did surprise her, and now I'm going to go sleep because she has an exam at uni, and then that's going to be lunchtime, so I'll check in with you then. Jing and I are having lunch at Grana in Circular Quay, and for the entree we have kingfish and prawns. This is so delicious, this kingfish, oh my goodness. Dancing flavors in my mouth. I rate like 11 out of 10. It's so good. I wish you guys could try it. Like, it's like yuzu and just everything is balanced. I'm gonna finish this whole plate. Oh heaven, I could eat this every day. I'm so happy right now. And also I get to eat lunch with my best friend. And for mains we have saffron corn pasta. What's called Brussels sprouts. I can't wait to eat. So I'm gonna try this prawn saffron pasta now. It's really creamy, and like the top things, I have no idea what it is. Like this crunchy thing, it's like a bit salty, balances the whole thing.
So good.
Okay, I'm gonna try the Brussels sprouts. This restaurant, you have to come in Sydney, Grana. Yum.
We're walking around Westfield, Sydney. Just showing her around.
We just finished dinner at Sake the Rocks. Oh my god, we ate so much.
I'm a food baby now.
The food was so delicious. Highly recommend if you are coming here.
Had cold starters, hot starters, mains, and then we ended up with a dessert.
We had drinks.
3 rounds of drinks
each. So tonight we are ending with a view of Sydney Opera House. It is so beautiful. We are heading home now to Jing's apartment. I had a lovely night and a lovely first day in Sydney. We ate way too much. The sake was wonderful, 10 out of 10. Weather in Sydney at nighttime is so nice. Can't wait to have a good night rest. Sydney Harbour Bridge. It's been a lovely day. Tomorrow we have a new day of adventure. I hope you enjoyed my first day mini vlog of Sydney and what I got up to. Can't wait for tomorrow, and I really need a good night rest. Good night. Good morning. Today is my second day in Sydney and we are off to brunch with Chris's friends. It's so beautiful and it's such a sunny day. Gonna get some cute pics and go see Sydney Opera House as well because the boys haven't been like today because I just arrived.
Hey guys, welcome to our first ever trip to Sydney, and we have our local ABB Tony Nguyen. Anyways, so Tony's gonna bring us around to the Sydney Harbour Opera House. My bad. Opera House, and we're gonna drink some ginger beer.
Boys and Chris has gone back to the hotel to sleep because they are tired. They arrived this morning. My brother and I are going to explore more of Sydney. We're going to Chinese Garden of Friendship now, just like a Chinese garden. We're in Chinatown area now, and we arrived Chinese Garden of Friendship. It's so sunny. I forgot to bring my sunglasses. So we have to line up to get a ticket first, like an entry ticket, and then go explore the gardens. The garden's actually really big. So it's going to be like this little small garden and like a rip-off, but maybe not. Oh my gosh, something like scared out of me. It's actually real. That lizard you see, I was standing right there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. But this garden is amazing. It is pretty. So I recommend this spot for really nice photos in a Chinese garden. And there's also a restaurant right behind me, and you can dine in and have this view while you have lunch or dinner. If you have a phobia of those lizards things that I showed you, I don't know how you feel about this. There's like one down there. Do you see it? There's quite a few here. I'm a little scared to get close, as long as they're not snakes, because I think I would faint. I would scream, I would run.
$169 Dragon Beat Candy, Chinatown Markets. So it's
How does it taste?
it's got a very rubbery texture, but inside mixed with dewy nuttiness, paired with a sweet.
Would you rate?
Flavor. Absolutely, 10 out of 10. Time to dig in.
It gets stuck in your teeth. It's just sugar, man. I don't rate. I don't rate.
It's like I'm eating a spider web, man.
Okay, I'm gonna try this pink one. I'm gonna steal my brother's food. It's condensed milk, I think. I don't know what that is. Soybean.
Wrapping up. We're gonna go back.